Gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis is a special type of pathway present in the cytoplasm of the cell. In gluconeogenesis, two molecules of pyruvic acids develop into one glucose molecule called gluconeogenesis. The gluconeogenesis is quite opposite to the glycolysis. In glycolysis, one glucose molecule convert into or lyses into two molecules of pyruvic acids in the glycolysis. Same, the two molecules of pyruvic acids convert into glucose molecule in gluconeogenesis pathway. Three carbon atoms of two molecules of pyruvic acids. Three carbon atoms of two molecules of pyruvic acids utilized two ATP molecules to form one oxaloacetate, and two carbons are released as a carbon dioxide molecules in presence of pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. The oxaloacetate convert into phosphoenol pyruvic acid in presence of phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase or carboxylase enzyme. Here it is two oxaloacetates involved in this reaction to form two molecules of phosphoenol pyruvic acids. In this reaction, two GTP molecules are utilized. The two phosphoenol pyruvic acids, the two molecules of phosphoenol pyruvic acids convert into two phosphoglycerate in presence of enolase enzyme. Two molecules of phosphoenol pyruvate molecules convert into two molecules of 2-phosphoglycerate in presence of enolase enzyme. Each phosphoenol pyruvic acid contain 3 carbon atoms, and here also 2-phosphoglycerate also containing 3 carbon atoms. Two molecules of 2-phosphoglycerate convert into two molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate. In presence of phosphoglyceromutase enzyme. The two molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate convert into two molecules of 1,3 bis-phosphoglycerate in presence of phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme. The two molecules of 1,3 bis-phosphoglycerate convert into two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. In presence of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme. Each glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate containing only 3 carbon atoms. Here it is total 2 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates are formed. The two molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates convert into one molecule of fructose 1,6-biphosphate in presence of aldolase enzyme. The fructose 1,6-biphosphate containing 6 carbon atoms. Fructose 1,6-biphosphate convert into fructose 6-phosphate in presence of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate or bisphosphatase enzyme. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase enzyme. Fructose 1,6-biphosphate convert into fructose 6-phosphate in presence of fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase enzyme. The fructose 6-phosphate convert into glucose 6-phosphate glucose 6-phosphate in presence of phosphoglucose isomerase. Phosphoglucose isomerase enzyme. Glucose 6-phosphate convert into one molecule of glucose in presence of glucose 6-phosphatase enzyme. Glucose 6-phosphatase enzyme. Finally, from two molecules of pyruvic acid, one glucose molecule is formed. One glucose molecule is formed is called gluconeogenesis. In plants, mediators or mediator chemicals or oxaloacetic acids are not developed. Only in animals, oxaloacetes are formed by the pyruvate carboxylase enzyme from pyruvic acids. But in animals, pyruvic acids are directly converted into phosphoenol pyruvic acids. Phosphoenol pyruvic acids in presence of pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. And two glycerolide 3-phosphates. Before formation of two glycerolide 3-phosphate, one glycerolide 3-phosphate directly developed. Another is dihydroxyacetone phosphate. The dihydroxyacetone phosphate convert into glycerolide 3-phosphate in presence of isomerase enzyme. So finally, two glycerolide 3-phosphates are directly involved in the aldolase enzyme reaction to form fructose 1,6-biphosphate. The fructose 1,6-biphosphate convert into fructose 6-phosphate in presence of fructose 1,6-biphosphatase enzyme. Fructose 6-phosphate convert into glucose 6-phosphate in presence of phosphoglucose isomerase enzyme. Glucose 6-phosphate convert into glucose in presence of glucose 6-phosphatase enzyme. It is the pathway of gluconeogenesis.